I'm Vincent Rizuk-Hamachi, and I am here to talk about our new Bird & Bird Privacy Solutions service line. Bird & Bird Privacy Solution is Bird & Bird's new privacy consultancy offering, which includes data protection officer services and GDPR representative services. The service line was launched on the 25th of May 2019. We have won and onboarded more than 10 clients based in the UK, Germany, Poland, the US, and Japan. Under the GDPR, both functions are mandatory in some circumstances. The DPO, or Data Protection Officer, is comparable to a compliance officer specifically for data protection. They must monitor compliance to data protection regulations, raise awareness, train staff, inform and advise organizations, and deal with queries from individuals and regulators. The function can be outsourced. The GDPR representative, also known as a EU representative or a UK representative in the event of a no-deal Brexit, acts on behalf of an organization established outside of the EEA. All public entities in the UK and the EU will need to appoint a data protection officer. In private sector, clients in the tech and life science industries are particularly likely to need a DPO due to the nature of the data they process. For instance, companies that provide online advertising, use geolocation tracking, collect health data, or provide financial services to consumers may be in a position where they will need to appoint a DPO. Any organization with no EEA establishment may be a good candidate for our GDPR representative services. A good example is an organization targeting European customers on the internet or via an app, or companies running clinical trials on European soil without having any presence in Europe. If you think your client may need a DPO or a GDPR representative, or if you're not sure about it, don't hesitate to get in touch. Our new service line was set up in order to ensure that any new client brought to Bird & Bird Privacy Solution is valued in the exact same way than any referral through the LLP. You can find more details in our FAQs. If you would like to know more about our services, please get in touch or check out our FAQs on our intranet page.